वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
With deep reverence and divine joy, would like to make historic announcement towards the upcoming construction of a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Sri Ganesh to be built right on the equator line in Uganda. Yes, on that very line that encircles the earth, the center of our planet's balance, where the forces of nature are in perfect harmony, and where day and night share equal space. It is here, at this unique and sacred location, that we will install the divine presence of Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles, Ganapati Bappa himself. What could be more auspicious than placing Lord Ganesha, the deity of beginnings, wisdom and balance, at the very midpoint of the earth? This temple will symbolize not just a geographical alignment, but a spiritual alignment of north and south, of east and west, of body and soul. Lord Ganesh, who is worshipped first in every Hindu ritual, will now bless the world from the very heart of the earth. This is more than a temple. It is a beacon of unity, a message that Sanatan Dharma belongs to all of humanity. It is a space where the ancient meets the universal, where India's timeless spiritual heritage touches the equator, embracing all cultures, communities, and continents. The temple will feature Uganda traditional, built by local African engineers people, and surrounded by space for prayer, learning, and celebration. The vibrations of devotion will echo from this sacred site across the globe. This is not just a place for Hindus, it is a place for anyone seeking peace, wisdom, and divine guidance. Let this temple be a reminder that wherever there are balance, wisdom, and unity, there is Ganpati Bappa. We invite devotees, well-wishers, and global citizens to come together and support this historic initiative. Your encouragement, blessings, and contributions will help bring this sacred vision to life. Ganapati Bappa Moria.
देवा तुझा दारी आलो गुणगान गाया तुझा इनामान साचा जन्म जाई वाया देवा दिली हाक उद्धार कराया आबाळाची छाया तुझी समुद्राची माया मोरया 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 रूप तुझं चराचरामंदी झाड येली पाना संग फुल तू सुगंधी भगताचा पाठीराखा गरिबाचा वाली माझी भक्ती तुझी शक्ती एक रूप झाली